Hi everybody, it's Claire with another art journal video. So surprise, surprise, today I'm playing in the Dina Wakley Blue Edition media journal and I'm actually working on a denim page. So I'm just starting off by adding a little bit of white paint onto the background just to kind of give me a starting point really. It's so funny, sometimes I just think I don't want to work on the denim or the burlap, but actually when you get going you realise that it isn't. Apart from the fact it's fabric, obviously, you don't have to treat it any different to the paper. So I've started off using the, sorry, can't remember what it's called, lattice stencil and some lime. And then I went in with the new fence stencil and some turquoise. Then I'm using one of the new faces from the Church Doodles collage tissue pack. And I'm just sticking that in place using some gel medium. And then once that was dry, I then decided that I would continue the sketchy leaves that were on this face and just bring them a bit further to the top of the page, and I don't know, just to kind of make it feel a bit more part of the page as it was working. This page went through a few funny phases where I kind of didn't really know where it was going, but it did all come together in the end, and it just goes to show that sometimes you do just have to keep working and just, you know, just kind of go with what your instinct tells you to do. So then I decided I would add a bit more stenciling on that left hand side, just using the white again. So this is from the, I think it's called, yeah, it is Growing Masks, and I just did that one plant there using evergreen and doodled around it using this pen, and then echoed the lines that are on the face and just did some sketchy lines inside that doodle as well, that stencil rather. Just trying to sort of balance the page a little bit more. So this was about where I started thinking, where on earth is this page going? And then I decided that I would get out this tissue collage pack called Text Collage and add some words onto there, and this is where I started to feel that it came together. So I used the piece of paper that's got the I am sayings on, and I just found some of the I am phrases that kind of spoke to me and decided I would use those on the page. And you can see that it starts to kind of work a bit more now as a page. So I stuck those in place using gel medium, did a bit of mark making too on the page just to kind of help balance it out, and like I say, it's something I have to do. Sorry if you can hear my computer bonging on this video. And then I just did a little bit of journaling above each quote that related to what each quote was saying. And there we go, that is the finished page. So these Church Doodle collage pack pieces are fantastic for adding a focal point. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.